Why is there a large insert performance difference between Python SqlAlchemy Boolean and integer type? Storing the same value in an SqlIte database as a Boolean or integer using Python and SqlAlchemy produces the following results. Why is there such a performance issue when using the Boolean type? I know SqlIte doesn't have the concept of Boolean type and instead stores them as an integer 1, true, or 0, false. I would have presumed that SqlAlchemy would have just mapped the Python bool to SqlIte integer. The script used to generate the output above, modified from this question.
I've made a test on 3 configurations. While there is difference in runtime between Boolean and integer, but it is not 10 times. Maybe you want to try switching to another Python version. PS. I was running my tests on Core i5-M430 CPU machine with Windows 8. Also, I would suggest to run Profiler to see where SqlAlchemy is spending that much time while running on your system. 1. Two. 3.